Okay guys.
Focus lang ko, focus lang.
Skyway.
Go straight, Skyway.
Nandito na kami sa Skyway.
Skyway.
Sa Tagum. Tingnan nyo yung Skyway sa Tagum guys, oh, ang ganda.
Wow.
Oh, lilipad na kami.
Lipat na.
Lilipad na.
Okay, let's go.
Ang ganda. Yan oh.
City Mall.
Dako pa rin guys sa ano nila, no?
That's their City Mall.
That's Quezano Mall guys.
Quezano.
Quezano.
Okay, Yaya. Diretso na.
May Chowking, may McDo.
Skyway.
Nandito kami sa Skyway ng Tagum guys. First time namin naka-rides na dito sa may
No, it's not my first time.
Wow.
or Skyway.
It's not my first time. We came here.
For me, it's my first time. It's her baby, it's not her first time. It is her many times her.
Kumanani. I-off na lang ko. Okay.
Oh, ikaw ang doing it.
Yeah, Gaisano, there's cinemas. Where? Oh, and this is also the NCCC.
Here is the new
NCCC.
commercial center, city. Commercial center.
Wow, nice spot,
Okay.
guys.
We're going down.
Nice.
We're going down.
the Skyway.
Go up.
We're going to Mawab.
May
Yes.
Giselle Cristo.
We're leaving Tago.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Tago.
Careful. Careful with that.
Yan ang kanilang park.